What's new? Sony Xperia XZ2, redesigned for iconic look. Sony changed the face of Xperia XZ2, which is its new flagship device that we will meet at MWC. From previous leaks we have got the idea that finally this brand is going to bring some change in design of Sony Xperia XZ2. Before this change we saw that all of their devices have standard 16:9 display screen, but now it is changed, and now for the first time Sony's Xperia XZ2 is coming with a new and different aspect ratio of 18:9. This means that this brand is also adapting to latest trend. That's why they have designed their devices in that way. Sony's Xperia XZ2's screen size is speculated to be 5.7 inches, which is going to bear 1080 by 2160 pixels resolution. After the display, now it is time to take a look inside of Xperia XZ2 by Sony, which is equipped with fastest chipset of the planet. Snapdragon 845 is the model number of that chipset that bring this smartphone to life. Samsung has this chip too, and now Sony's Xperia's XZ2 has got its hands too on this chipset to improve the quality of its devices by enhancing the technology used in smartphones. Multitask management of Sony's Xperia XZ2 is handled by the professional 4GB of RAM, while it is also going to make the gaming a lot more smoother and better. Indigenous storage of Sony XZ2 is 64GB, which is backed up by the SD card slot that will expand the storage up to 400GB. Dual SIM slots simultaneously work around the clock to give you network access anywhere in the world. Xperia XZ2's OS is based on Oreo, which is latest Android OS released by Google yet. Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions 153 by 72 by 11.1 millimeters. Weight 198 grams. SIM hybrid, dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors: liquid black, liquid silver, deep green, ash pink. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 800, 850, 900, 1700 AWS, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor: CPU octa-core, 4x2.7 GHz Cryo 385 Gold plus 4x1.7 GHz Cryo 385 Silver. Chipset: Qualcomm MSM8998 Snapdragon 845. GPU: Adreno 630. Display technology: IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors, multi-touch. Size: 5.7 inches. Resolution: 1080 by 2160 pixels, 424 ppi. Protection: Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Extra features: HDR-BT.2020 compliant, Troluminous display, X-Reality engine. Memory built-in: 64GB built-in, 4GB RAM. Card: microSD card, supports up to 400GB, uses SIM 2 slot. Camera: main 19MP, f/2.0, 25mm, f/3. Features: gyro eyes, predictive phase detection, geotagging, touch focus, face, smile detection, panorama, HDR, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 960 fps. Front 5MP, f/2.215. Connectivity: LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNA, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA, aptX HD. GPS: yes plus a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. Galileo. Radio FM radio, not yet confirmed. USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB host. NFC yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE-A, 5Ka, Cat 18 1200 200 Mbps. Features sensors, accelerometer, barometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, rear-mounted, gyro, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/EAC+/WAV/FLAC player, SVID MP4/H.265 player, 24-bit/192 kHz audio, dynamic vibration system, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, GIMP. Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra front plus back glass, Gorilla Glass 5, and aluminum frame, IP65 IP68 certified, dust, waterproof over 1.5 meter and 30 minutes, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, AANT plus support, organizer, document viewer, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3180 mAh. Fast battery charging, quick charge 3.0, wireless charging,